The BBS-56 is our roll-fed plow-fold book block making system for short to medium-run production. It unwinds, perforates, plow folds, cuts, glues and stacks in one pass. It features a compact design with enhanced automation for a shortened changeover time. Integrate the BBS-56 with our smart binding systems for inline roll-to-book production. The large control panel ensures intuitive setup and operation. Perforation and plow fold sections adjust automatically to simplify changeovers. Repeat jobs can be saved or loaded with the memory function. Additionally, the BBS-56 is more compact than conventional plow-fold book block systems. The BBS-56 has the ability to optimize production speeds automatically. Normally, when creating book blocks of variable pages, the speed has to be set up based on the thinnest book block, causing production speeds to slow for thicker book blocks. However, the BBS-56 is equipped with a code reader at the unwinder that allows it to optimize its unwinding speed for consistent production speed. When creating thick book blocks, the unwinding speed increases, and for thin book blocks it will decrease. This speed optimization allows for more stability and productivity when running high-mix, low-volume jobs.
The BBS-56 can be integrated with our perfect binder and 3-knife trimmer to accomplish inline roll-to-book production.
The BBS-56 is the perfect match for inline integration with our flagship solutions, the ICE binder BQ-500 and 3-knife trimmer HT-1000V, because of similar production speeds.
With a maximum production speed of 800 cycles per hour, the system is geared towards medium-run book production.
As the BQ-500 and HT-1000V excel in variable thickness book production, it's possible for them to produce books of differing thicknesses received from the BBS-56 without stopping for changeovers. BBS-56 smart binding systems can also produce case-bind book blocks with the integration of our end sheet feeder, ESF-1000 and gauze feeder, GF-500.
Input the finish size into the control panel and set up the job.
Web is unwound at speeds of up to 160 meters per minute with automated decurling that adjusts depending on the roll diameter. Before plow folding, web is perforated parallel to the direction of the paper flow for higher quality folding and accuracy. In the plow fold section, web is folded once or twice along perforation lines to produce 4, 6, or 8-page signatures.
Next, folded web is cut into specified sizes. Cut marks are utilized for accurate cutting. After cutting, the signatures are glued. Glue application can easily be adjusted depending on paper stock and fold style. Glued signatures are accumulated into book blocks with star wheel stackers and then jogged before delivery.
There are 2 star wheel stations that alternate book block stacking for continuous, non-stop production. The BBS-56 can also be used as a standalone system by stacking multiple glued book blocks at each station before delivery. When stacking 4 book blocks of 68 pages each, create up to 2,000 book blocks per hour.